everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to discuss how to manage bundles within Stock and Buy. But before we dive into that, let's start by understanding what a bundle is. A bundle is a group of related products sold together as a single package. These products in a bundle are often items that are commonly used together or complement each other in some way. Moreover, bundling is a powerful functionality that allows you to group and sell goods together as one finished product. It also keeps track of inventory levels, costs, and weight as the components of the bundle change over time due to sales, purchases, and adjustments. Now, let's go into how to create a bundle within Stock and Buy. There are two ways to create a bundled product within Stock and Buy. The first method involves creating the bundled product as a separate standalone product. To do this, navigate to the Inventory module and click on Products. In the top right corner, click on Create Product, then fill in the product details of your bundle. For today's tutorial, let's take an example. I have created a product named Hika Sunscreen that I want to bundle with loose powder. First, I have to make sure that I have already created standalone products of the sunscreen and the loose powder before I create the bundle itself. This way, I won't be having any trouble adding the components of the bundle. And once that's all set up, I'll input all the bundle details including images, grouping, and tags. Then scroll down to the page and click on Convert Bundle. Once you've clicked Convert Bundle, the bundle is created. A new window will open, allowing you to add the bundle parts one by one. Click on Add Line for each components. For our example, we'll add the Hika sunscreen and the loose powder as bundle parts. Specify the quantity of each part within the bundle. In this case, we'll add one quantity of each. Finally, click Save and Close. And voila! Your product is now a bundled product. It's that simple. The second method to create a bundle is by making a variation within the bundle. Let's demonstrate this using a different example. The product that I have created is cups. First, input all the necessary details for the product, such as the name, images, and other relevant information. After that, we'll create a bundled variation inside this product. For instance, let's say we want to sell cups in packs of 3, 6, and 9. To do this, create variants for each bundle size. Here, we have cups of 3, cups of 6, and cups of 9 as variants within the product. To make one of these variants a bundled product, select the checkbox next to the variant name. Then click on Actions and you'll see a drop-down menu. Choose Convert to Bundle or Bill of Material. Now, add the components to this bundle. In our case, we're bundling cups, so add cups as a component with a quantity of 3. Don't forget to save and close, and once done, you'll notice an icon indicating this variant is a bundle. Repeat the process for other bundle variants. We also have the functionality to convert an existing product into a bundle. Let's walk you through this process with an example. First, navigate to the Inventory section and access the Products view. Here, you can search for the product you want to convert into a bundle. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll use the iPhone 15 Pro Max as an existing product which will convert into a bundle. To convert an existing product into a bundle, scroll down to the Product Details page. Then click on Convert Bundle and add the other component you want in the bundle. For instance, we want to create a bundle called iPhone 15 Pro Max with a MagSafe case. Click Add Line, enter the product name, which is MagSafe case, and specify the quantity you want in this bundle. Finally, click Save and Close. Now the bundle is created and you've updated the product name. You'll no longer have the option to sell the iPhone 15 Pro Max alone because every sale will include both the phone and the MagSafe case as a bundle. In Stock and Buy, we also have the functionality to convert products into bundles in bulk. You'll need to filter the view first to find the products you want to convert. In this case, we're looking for products with the keyword shirt. Once you have filtered the view, select the items you wish to convert into bundles. After selecting the products, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on Bulk Actions. From the drop-down menu, choose Edit Products. Once you're in the filtered view of the products that you want to convert into a bundle, click on the XLS icon beside the I icon, and this will export the data of all the selected products that you wish to convert. You'll need this data to create your bundles. Next, go back to the products view. Click on the three-dot icon in the top right corner and select Import Bundles. Download the template provided for bundle imports. Now, transfer the data of the products you want to convert into bundles into the template CSV file. Make sure to fill in all the necessary information for your bundles. Once you've completed the template with your bundle data, save the modified CSV file. Then return to Stock and Buy and upload the modified CSV file. The system will then process the data and create the bundles based on the information you have provided. You can also do the same process for newly created bundles. Import the bundles by CSV, fill out the file with your bundle data, save the file, and upload the file to the system. We also have the option to delete bundles. The process for deleting a bundle depends on the type of bundle you have created. If you've created a standalone bundle, click on the bundle itself. In the top right corner of the screen, next to the Save button, you'll find a down arrow. Click on it and select Delete. On the other side, to delete a bundled variant, follow the steps. Find the bundle that contains the bundled variant you want to delete. For example, let's say we want to delete the Cups of 3 bundled variant within the product cups. Simply click the checkbox beside its name, then click on the gear icon. You can usually find this icon when you scroll down to the right of the screen. Then select Delete Variant. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to create and manage your bundles within Stock and Buy. As always, if you found this tutorial helpful, stay tuned for more informative content. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us.